What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use Revolut card abroad, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. So basically, can you use a Revolut card abroad? Of course. Are there some things attached to it? Of course. So we're now gonna dive into it. So basically, making a payment with Revolut while abroad is simple. Just pay in the local currency and Revolut will do the currency exchange for you using the interbank exchange rate. As long as you don't surpass the monthly spending limit of $1,000, you won't have any fair usage fees. Note that rare currencies and or out of FX market, our fees may apply. If you exceed this limit, you'll pay a 0.5% fair usage fee, and the Revolut Metal plan doesn't have a fair usage spending limit. For person-to-person payment within the Revolut network, there is no monthly limit, though fees may apply if currency conversion is required to complete your payment. Just use your Revolut app to request and send money or split bills between friends. You can even send money via ACH to local bank account at no charge. So what are the basically, when doing an ATM withdrawal via Revolut, you can withdraw money in another currency and apply the interbank exchange rate for that day. So basically, the abroad payment is available with Revolut card, but make sure to check out your plan because there are different fees and fair usage spending limits. So guys, basically you will pay in the local currency and Revolut will do the currency exchange for you. So overall, that's it for today's video guys. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. So that's it guys, goodbye and see you in our next tutorial.